In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Google Drive on Windows and Mac. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by locating the Google Drive icon in your system tray. This is the small multicolored triangle near your clock. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow next to the clock to reveal hidden icons, then click on the Google Drive icon. Once the pop-up window appears, look toward the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. From the menu that opens, select Preferences. This will open the main Google Drive application dashboard. Inside the Preferences window, look again at the top right corner. You'll see another Settings gear icon next to your profile picture. Click on that gear icon to open more options. Now find your connected email address. Next to it, click Disconnect Account. This will begin the process of logging you out from Google Drive on your computer. When prompted, click Disconnect in the confirmation window to finalize the logout. This will remove your Google Drive from File Explorer and clear any locally stored offline files. If you also want to fully close the app, go back to the system tray, click the Google Drive icon again, then click the Settings gear icon and choose Quit. This ensures the application is no longer running in the background. Additionally, if you want to log out of Google Drive in your browser, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure the page loads fully so you can access your account options. Next, move to the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture or initial icon. This will open a small account menu. From here, click Sign Out. If you are signed into multiple accounts, choose Sign Out of all accounts. This will immediately end your session and take you back to the Google login screen. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.